This magnificent epoxy terrazzo installation is a star player in a museum food court remodel. The clean, classic design is beautifully executed. A phenomenal use of poured-in-place vertical terrazzo distinguishes this exceptional job. The 22 columns were wrapped in cement board that had to be hand ground from very imperfect to perfect circles. The terrazzo was then troweled on each column. Working on scaffolding, the contractor applied over 3,000 square feet of terrazzo on 32 walls, some partial and some over 10 feet high. Another 450 square feet were applied on the 9-foot ceilings. All terrazzo, including curbs, a ramp, and poured-in-place steps, was hand ground on site and displays exacting craftsmanship and crisp corners. The project integrates sleek 9 1/2-inch aluminum strips and 4-inch waterjet cut strips curved to reflect the ceiling soffits. Epoxy fill was required on the new and existing substrate where tile was removed, adding scope to the work without additional time. The project was completed in 5 phases. NTMA offers its compliments and a Judge's Choice Craftsmanship Award to John Coretti and Company of Morton Grove, Illinois, for this top-notch job in Chicago's Museum of Science and Industry.